Day 2 of solving math problems in C until I become a programming legend genius goat. Our problem states that each new term in the Fibonacci sequence is generated by adding the previous two terms. So if we start with 1 and 2, the first 10 terms would be 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and 89. If you still don't understand Fibonacci, please ChatGPT it. So by considering the terms in the Fibonacci sequence whose values do not exceed 4 million, we have to find the sum of the even valued terms. Let's get into it. I got an MTC file open up. Let's solve this problem. First thing I'm going to need is a main method. Next thing I'm going to need is two integer variables to store our first and second term in the Fibonacci sequence. And these are initialized to 1 and 2 because our Fibonacci's terms start at 1 and 2. Next thing I'm going to need is a sum variable to store the sum of the even terms of the Fibonacci sequence. And I'm going to initialize it to 2 because 2 is our first even term in the Fibonacci sequence. Next thing I'm going to need is a variable to store our current term, which is the sum of the previous two terms in our Fibonacci sequence. Now I'm going to use a while loop to loop through our current terms in our Fibonacci sequence and assure that it does not exceed 4 million. Now I'm going to check if our term is even using the modulo operator. And if you don't know what the modulo operator is, please ChatGPT it. After checking if our term is even, we're going to have to update our previous two terms and our current term. And our current term will be updated to the sum of the previous two terms. So we're going to do current term equals first term plus second term. Now let's print out our result. And don't forget the standard IO library. Now we return our main method. Now let's compile our C file and get the output. Now let's run our output file. 4,613,732? No way that's right. No way that's right. Let's check if it's right. And guys, looks like 4,613,732 was the right answer. Hope you guys enjoyed. Get ready for day 3. And guys, looks like 4,613,732 was the right answer. Hope you guys enjoyed. Get ready for day 3.